Solve high blood pressure. Forever? What if everything you thought about high blood pressure was wrong? Today, we'll show you how to beat hypertension, once and for all. High blood pressure happens when your arteries stiffen and narrow, pushing your heart to overdrive. We usually blame salt, but the real culprit hides in your sweet tooth. Here's a shocker. Sugar, especially fructose, spikes your blood pressure more than salt does. It boosts uric acid, sparks inflammation, and wrecks your vessel lining. Your arteries are wrapped in a protective sugar coat called the glycocalyx. Too much fructose turns into uric acid, which scratches away this shield, making vessels stiff and leaky. Ready for a game changer? Slash your fructose intake under 25 grams a day. Then pack your plate with natural glycocalyx boosters like bone broth, seaweed, and dark leafy greens. Next, pump up your nitric oxide levels. Daily beetroot juice, arugula salads, and light resistance workouts relax and widen your vessels. Stress and poor sleep can tighten arteries by raising cortisol levels. Try 10 minutes of meditation daily and get 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep to keep your blood pressure steady. Put it all together: low fructose, glycocalyx restoration, nitric oxide boosting, and stress control. In addition, losing 5% of your body weight can significantly improve your blood pressure. Deep breathing throughout the day and meditation. Take iron supplements like beets. Always consult with your doctor if you are on high blood pressure medication. Ready to take control for good? Coming soon, Pharmacy.fyi for meal plans, recipes, and routines to conquer hypertension forever.